a while to track you down, but we got there in the end.
Is she house trained?
Charlie's very spirited.
Oi! Stop running!
Don't know I had an aunt.
Not exactly how I planned my day going either, you know.
Who's that?
My niece, Charlie.
Right.
This is Boris. He's an imbecile. Move!
It's like she doesn't care.
What is it with this place and pumpkins?
Pumpkins!
Don't get me started.
Ready for the contest? 100 grand.
I'm going to win. There's got to be someone in this crazy town who will help me.
Well. Dying a little. Only knew it was a matter of time before you came knocking on my door. Oh, no. That ain't mine, is it?
We snogged once at a school disco, Arlo.
Ah, but what a snogger.
Charlie wanted a few tips.
It's just a pumpkin growing competition.
Not in this town, kid.
Smiled Gherkins have run heaviest pumpkin for the last 50 years.
My dad's entering the contest too.
The JX8 is the result of years of research.
This ain't some grow-your-own-salad school project.
You want to steal our secrets?
This is all out gardening gloves off, vegetable warfare.
Why do you want to be bothered with all of that?
It's hard to explain.
Can you try?
As far back as I can remember, every time I touch a plant, something odd happens. Like I can feel what they're feeling.
A connection. Can't fake that.
You really think plants feel things like us, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Come on, let's go. This is where the hard work begins. Gotta grow hard or go home.
Good luck.
Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father.
No one's got one the size of yours.
It's huge.
Yarp.
The contest isn't for the biggest, it's for the heaviest. It doesn't matter what the surface looks like. What's inside is what makes a champion.
Let's squash out the scale!
Whatever happens, I'm so proud of you. You brought us together.
Aunt Dinah, he's still growing.
That's impossible.
What are you having for lunch? I brought some pumpkin.